Welcome to this explainer. Look, between crazy expensive textbooks, skyrocketing rent, and way too many meals of instant ramen, being a student is incredibly tough on the wallet. But if you're looking to make your own money and you're starting with absolutely zero experience and zero upfront investment, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're breaking down a complete, no-nonsense, beginner's guide on the 7 best ways to build a steady income online, all while balancing your studies.
But before we go any further, let's tackle the giant elephant in the room. Is earning online actually possible without paying some kind of upfront investment? If you've spent literally any time searching for online work, you've probably felt completely overwhelmed by all the shady websites and obvious scams out there. But I can confidently confirm that yes, legitimate pathways absolutely exist. Students all over the world are doing this right now. You just need the right roadmap.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our structured roadmap for today. We'll be covering starting online earning, selling your skills, earning as a creator, easy tasks and affiliate marketing, and remote part-time jobs. And finally, we'll wrap up the whole shebang with the real truth and the top 3 recommended paths.
Section 1. Starting online earning.
The source material we're unpacking today outlines exactly 7 proven, legitimate methods for students to earn a steady monthly income online. I really want to emphasize the words proven and legitimate here. We are not talking about shady, get-rich-quick crypto schemes. No way. These are realistic, battle-tested avenues for ambitious students who are actually willing to roll up their sleeves and put in the effort.
Section 2. Sell your skills.
The bedrock of selling your skills is freelancing. In simple terms, freelancing just means working online for a company or an individual on a per-project basis and getting paid for your specific skill. They like your work, they place an order, you deliver the project, and you get paid securely through a platform. The best part? You're your own boss. You pick the projects you actually want to take on.
So, what can you actually offer? Well, the demand right now is absolutely huge for skills like video editing, graphic and logo design, content writing, translation, utilizing new AI services, web development, and social media management. Think about it. If you're always making memes for your friends, maybe graphic design is totally your jam. If you have a way with words, content writing could be a perfect fit. Just mentally pick one right now that sparks your curiosity. You absolutely do not need to know them all.
And here is the magic number to keep in mind: 30 to 60. If you don't have a specialized skill yet, don't panic. The source strongly recommends committing 30 to 60 days to continuously learn your chosen skill for free on platforms like YouTube. You absolutely need this window of time to build up your muscle memory and put together a solid portfolio before you can expect to earn a dime.
To make this hyper-actionable, here are the exact steps to launch your freelancing journey. First, pick just one skill. Actually, scratch that. Commit to just one skill. Don't try to learn 10 things at once. Second, learn it for 30 to 60 days. Third, build 10 to 15 sample projects to prove what you can do. And finally, set up clean, professional profiles on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. On Fiverr, create SEO-friendly gigs, and on Upwork, aim to send 5 to 10 solid proposals every single day. You can totally do this.
Online tutoring is another brilliant way to sell your skills, and this brilliantly illustrates how easily you can match your current knowledge with eager students. If you're already great at a subject, whether that's English, math, coding, or the Quran, you can teach it. You can find students through Facebook groups, WhatsApp, Instagram, or just by posting demo videos on YouTube. You're simply matching your expertise with someone who needs your help, and you get to set your own hourly rate.
Section 3. Earn as a creator.
If you're the kind of person who enjoys making videos, the creator economy is a massive opportunity right now. The most profitable niches range from AI tools and finance to tech, education, and gaming. The real secret here: choose a topic you genuinely care about. If you love gaming, talk about gaming. Your whole goal is to consistently provide value, entertain, or solve problems for your specific audience.
Now, growing an audience doesn't just happen by accident. Here's the core formula for creator growth. Write catchy titles. Design eye-catching thumbnails. Optimize your SEO so people can actually search for and find your content. And above all else, maintain consistency. Following these steps naturally unlocks monetization, which allows you to start earning through ads, brand sponsorships, and memberships.
Section 4. Easy tasks and affiliate marketing.
Let's talk about microtasks, things like filling out surveys, data labeling, or AI training. Listen closely to this part because it's vital for your safety.
Reliable platforms are always free to join, and they will pay you for your data entry or image tagging. Fake websites, on the other hand, will ask you for an upfront payment and promise you totally unrealistic overnight wealth. Let's establish this golden rule right now. Never, ever pay money to join a task platform.
Next up, consider digital products like ebooks, study notes, Canva templates, resume templates, planners, and digital art. Now, what's really interesting about this approach is the sheer beauty of the business model. You put in the hard work to create a product exactly once, but you can sell it infinitely. You just upload it and drive sales through YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, or an email list. Selling a simple $5 template 100 times while you sleep, that is the ultimate goal here.
Another fantastic low-barrier method is affiliate marketing. This is where you earn a commission just for promoting a company's product. The steps are straightforward, but they do require strategy. Join a trusted program, create an honest review or a helpful tutorial, share your custom affiliate link, and earn a commission when someone buys. But I want to stress this. Trust is absolutely key. Don't just spam links everywhere. Provide genuine value through honest comparisons first, and the sales will naturally follow.
Section 5. Remote part-time jobs. If you're looking for something a bit more stable, there are companies worldwide looking for remote virtual assistants, customer support reps, chat support, data entry clerks, and research assistants. To land one of these, you don't necessarily need a fancy college degree, but your absolute secret weapon, a clean, modern resume, and a highly professional LinkedIn profile. Treat your profile like your digital handshake before you start applying.
When you do land that interview, here is your checklist to pass with flying colors. If the role requires good communication, practice speaking clearly beforehand. If they expect punctuality, make sure you reply to their emails and messages immediately. And for proof of work, always have your portfolio ready to go. You know, professional behavior and lightning-fast response times will literally beat out raw technical skills 9 times out of 10.
Section 6. The real truth and top free.
The source material is remarkably clear about where students should focus their energy for the absolute best return on investment. If the author were a student starting over today, they would focus equally on freelancing, content creation, and affiliate marketing. Why those 3? Because these specific areas offer the absolute best potential for long-term, scalable income that actually grows right alongside your developing skills.
But we really have to ground this in reality. So the crucial point is this: no method will make you rich overnight. Period. Patience, continuous learning, and daily effort are your true keys to building an identity and a reliable income stream. Spend the time learning in the beginning, do a little bit of work every single day, and just keep improving. It's like a giant puzzle. Piece by piece, it comes together.
This brings us to the end of our explainer, but honestly, it's just the beginning of your journey. I want to leave you with a direct challenge right now. Which of the top 3 skills will you start learning today? Remember, you don't need money, you just need 30 to 60 days of focused, relentless effort. Pick your path, take immediate action, and start building your future today.